Imagine capturing moments in stunning DSLR-like quality with a smartphone. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. The Motorola G76 5G is here, bringing a revolutionary camera system with an integrated ring light that's changing the game for photography lovers. But that's just the beginning. Stick around to find out why this device could redefine your expectations of a smartphone. From its breathtaking display to a powerful processor and a battery that won't quit, the Motorola G76 5G is packed with features you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in and explore how this phone stands out in the crowded smartphone market. The Motorola G76 5G greets you with a 6.8-inch punch-hole display that's built to impress. With a 144Hz refresh rate, every scroll and swipe feels buttery smooth, perfect for gamers and binge watchers alike. The crisp 1080 by 3120 resolution makes every image pop, giving you rich colors and sharp details. Plus, the fingerprint sensor cleverly blends into the design, ensuring security without sacrificing style. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, this phone is a beast when it comes to performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps, the G76 5G handles it all effortlessly. And it's not just about speed. This chipset balances power and efficiency, meaning you get the performance you need without draining your battery. Gone are the days of worrying about your phone dying midday. The G76 5G comes with a massive 6,500 mAh battery, one of the largest in its class. It's designed to last through heavy use, whether you're gaming, streaming, or on a video call. And when you do need a quick top-up, the 65W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in about an hour. This is where the Motorola G76 5G truly shines. Its camera setup rivals professional gear, featuring 50MP main camera, capture every detail with jaw-dropping clarity, 0.32MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group shots or sprawling landscapes, 0.16MP telephoto lens. Get closer without losing quality. 32MP front camera. Your selfies will never look the same again. The star of the show is the ring light integrated around the camera module. It doesn't just look cool, it's a game changer for low-light photography, ensuring your photos are bright and evenly lit. This unique feature sets the G76 5G apart, making it a must-have for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Gamers will love the combination of the high refresh rate display and the powerful Dimensity 7200 processor. Whether it's casual gaming or intense multiplayer battles, the G76 5G delivers smooth and responsive gameplay. The large screen and rich audio quality also make it a fantastic choice for streaming your favorite shows or movies. Motorola understands that one size doesn't fit all. That's why the G76 5G comes in 3 configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage for everyday users, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage for power users, 0.12GB RAM with 512GB storage for those who need space. For everything, these options give you the flexibility to pick a model that suits your lifestyle and budget. Although Motorola hasn't announced the exact launch date, industry insiders predict a release between February and March 2025. Positioned in the upper mid-range segment, the G76 5G promises premium features without the premium price tag. This competitive pricing strategy could make it a top contender in its category. The G76 5G isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. With its innovative features, especially the DSLR-inspired camera and ring light, it's set to disrupt the market. Competing brands will need to step up their game to match Motorola's offering. For consumers, this means more choices and better technology at competitive prices. The Motorola G76 5G isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse of performance, creativity, and style. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just want a reliable device, this smartphone checks all the boxes. So, are you ready to upgrade your tech game? Let us know your thoughts on this exciting new release in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates on the latest gadgets. See you in the next one.